Hi guys, welcome to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning member, welcome back. If you're a new member, could you please share, like, and smash that subscribe button? It definitely helps the channel. And before we get started, I'm not a doctor. I don't make any medical claims. This is all based on my own personal journey. So welcome to week 202 update. So if you wonder where I am, I'm downtown Leominster. You see the traffic going by over here on Central Street. They go up that way towards Pleasant and Main Street. So I decided to go out for an early morning walk. It's actually 8:45 in the morning. I've been walking now for about an hour. I feel pretty good today. You know, we lost 8 pounds for the week, and we're going to continue to, hope to have another good week. We're fast approaching 4 years on low-carb weight loss, and I'll have some future updates and some things going on for that, and be watching for those videos coming up. And I'm going to do a pretty extensive video on 4 years on low-carb weight loss. Basically, what did I learn, and what do we have going on going forward, and what do we have going on forward for Ron's Keto Cafe, the YouTube channel, and my Facebook support group, Ron's Keto Cafe Support. But it's going really good. I was really surprised when I weighed myself in yesterday, and today I'm down to 250 and feel pretty good. Again, we lost 8 pounds for the week, and I hadn't been doing too much walking this week. Donna's had a lot of appointments this week with the doctor's appointments, and she's got one more coming up Monday for her regular shot. That's usually a 4-hour appointment for me and Donna, and another one coming up at the 24th here for a bone density. And then after that, it'll be hopefully just 2 appointments the following month, her usual appointments. But over the last 3 weeks there, she's had like about 12 appointments, including the 2 ER visits, and one by 911 when they had to call the ambulance to come down and pick her up. So she's been going through an awful lot, so have I, but she feels a lot better. She's getting there back to her usual self, where she's got a lot of energy, and but I still worry about her. We've been together for 43 years, and I don't want anything to happen to her, and it is what it is. So just keep us in our prayers and continue keeping everything that you're seeing going on in the national world right now, that keep that in your prayers too. It's a terrible thing what happened the other day, but I just know only through the grace of God there wasn't something terrible that happened to that guy, because other than just what you saw. And I'm going to leave it at that. But I'm praying for him, I'm praying for the family. So anyways, we'll get off of that subject. But I had an agenda this past month to walk 100 miles, and I'm not going to make the 100 miles because of all the appointments I had with Donna. So right now I got like 25 miles in for the month there, and here it is the 14th, and so I'll probably wind up at about 40, maybe 50 miles at best. But even so, that's been pretty good. Don't forget too, in our area it's been terrible with the heat. Now we got 90-degree weather coming up all next week again, and so that's why I went out for an early morning Sunday morning walk today, so I could get some release some negative energy out of me, and get spiritually connected again with God and my faith. And I would encourage you guys to do the same. And so Friday night went to bingo, and they asked me, I said, what are you doing here? I said, well, I'm just here to work. And they said, well, you were scheduled for the night off. And I said, oh, okay. I said, you want to take the night off? And he goes, no, I'll work. And he says, and I told him the reason why I came is because I had a couple of weeks ago, I had that Friday off there with Donna, and she said, well, that didn't really count. And I said, well, I just took that as my day off, because when something happened like that with your spouse, you want to make sure they're okay. So, but I said, it's okay, I'll just work. And then I was asking Betty, I said, Betty, do you mind if I take my birthday off? And she says, well, when's your birthday? I said, well, it's coming up in 2 weeks on August 1st. My birthday is actually going to be on a Thursday. So like on August 2nd, on that Friday, I'm going to play bingo and see if I can win some money for my birthday. But if I don't, it's no big deal. It's just a night out, and another night out I can have with my wife. But yeah, I took my hat off for a minute here. I'm really, really sweaty this morning from walking. It's really starting to get humid. That's why I like to go walking early in the morning. And I put my camera up straight this way up on the side of the fence over here. And now you got a pretty cool background of the bank, and you can see the cars going by, and because somebody's sitting over there, and I kind of didn't want him to hear what I was talking about this morning. But yeah, it's going really good. Cat's really good. Donna played bingo Friday night. She didn't win nothing Friday. And I'm having a good week for weight loss, considering I've been under a lot of stress with my wife. And again, thank you for all your prayers. Our channel is growing significantly. I picked up about maybe 20 new subscribers this past couple of weeks, so thank you so much for that. Everybody's been commenting on a lot of my videos from the past. I got to get one of those little mini pie dash things again there. I had all that stuff in the basement there, and everything got taken out with that damn flood back in September last year. But you know, I'm continuing on with the Chapel playlist. I got 3 more to make to finish up for the month of July, and then after that I'll probably just slow it down to 1 or 2 a week after that. But we did a live one there the other night there, and I think I had one person came in and she was watching my live video, which is cool, but you know, it is what it is. I just put it up there for the watch hours, and we're definitely getting up there in watch hours. I still need about 1,800 more watch hours before the end of next year, and it will slowly get there. It just takes time. Subscribers, and we have like 1,820 subscribers like that, so that's definitely getting up there. I've been averaging about 100 new subscribers every 3 weeks, and but the watch time hours, if you know how to run my playlist there, just go click on it and just, you know, let it run, and maybe comment on a few of my videos here and there. That would really help. I'm also still looking for somebody to host a weekly update with me, so, or interview you. You know, if you want to interview me, I'd be happy to do that too. And I'm still looking for a job. Nothing new on the job front. That other job was a great job, but it was just too physically demanding for me. And then, of course, what happened with Donna this past week, I mean, how would I have done that? And between all that, they wouldn't have been able to keep me. So it's like, oh my gosh. So, I mean, I have that on back of my mind, but I've been applying at different places that I wouldn't normally ever think about working. But I maybe realized too that I don't want to drive, so I just don't like driving. But you know, I'm still going to pray that I get something happens, and if not, well, we just do the best we can every month, like we always do. You know, it is what it is. But you know, as far as food goes, I got a fully stocked up freezer again. I got plenty of side dishes to make for low-carb weight loss. And you know, I make stuff for Donna as well as myself, so I kind of make two separate meals, and that's how I've been successful on my journey. Because Donna only weighs 120 pounds. I mean, so she eats, you know, but she used to be a big girl, and you know, with everything that's going on with the kidneys and everything like that, it's caused her to lose a lot of weight. And so I don't know how much longer I got left to live with her, but I'm just taking one day as it comes to be thankful I got to see her another day and be with her another day. So tonight is the 14th. Yeah, we may go out to see fireworks tonight. We're not sure. We'll see how she feels later. It's in another city. And then in 2 weeks we have Starburst. They got fireworks then. That Starburst is a event they put out every year. They have fireworks display at Doyle Field. And they have music, live entertainment, and they announced the Citizen of the Year winners, which I won in 2019. And you know, we selected 2 well-deserved candidates this year, and that should be really good. Now my computer, we got that back finally. And they got it home, I got it going, and then I couldn't get it to work, and then I realized it was the monitor plug that was causing the issue, the display monitor plug. So I bought a new plug, and it was the wrong plug, and I brought it back. It's still working without plug. The only reason why you have the monitor display plug is just so you can get a better graphics display, especially like if you're running 4K video like I do. And so that's the reason why you would have that. But you can still run it without it. And so that cost me a couple $100 to get that fixed. And we're running really good. And yeah, again, Donna didn't win anything Friday night at the bingo. She had a good crowd. That was really good. And my sister and my nephew came in to play bingo that night too. I talked to her for a little while, and so I don't get a chance to see my sisters all that much anymore. I got one sister that lives in South Carolina. I talk to her on occasion. And my other sister lives up in the Boston area. So, and this is probably about an hour ride from where I live. So, but you know, she did come down the house a couple of weeks ago to see Donna. She would happen to come in the city that she wanted to go to a concert or something like that. But yeah, so we're gonna concerts we got going on this week. I'm probably gonna go down to Sterling this week and watch a different concert on Monday. Every Monday and Wednesday they have a concert, and then Thursday we have some at Carter Park. My friend Mark Baki comes down this coming Thursday, and the following Thursday he takes over the park area. Then they resume the summer concert series, and hopefully the Leominster Colonial Band will be over there Tuesday night. I'm going to go down there. I am not going to be filming that, but I am going to bring my camera just in case the studio is not there filming. But you know, it should be a good night, and if it rains they move it into the City Hall. So either way we get concerts, and that's really great. And the cat's doing fine. Again, we got two more doctor appointments this month with Donna this month, and you know, we're gonna just take one day at a time. But again, my weight loss is doing really good. Now, coming up on August 17th will be my 4 years on low-carb weight loss. I'll have some before and after photographs and talk about my journey and how it all went and everything like that. And you know, eventually when we become monetized, we'll start doing giveaways and stuff like that. But again, I can't thank you guys and gals enough for holding me accountable for my weight loss. It truly means a lot to me. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Just remember, every day is a blessing, and I truly mean that. And just continue to pray for our country, continue to pray for what happened the other day, and we'll get through this together, you know. But yeah, so that's all I got to say this week. Have a great week. Be watching for future updates. Be watching for my Shuffle playlist that comes on every day at noontime. Have a great week. Talk to you on the next video.